Good morning and welcome to Crypto Charts Daily. This is Tanner, and today, guys, it is Meme Coin Monday. Every Monday, we are going to be reviewing the most popular meme coins. It is the first episode, so I got three meme coins picked out for us. Obviously, Dogecoin, the king of all of the meme coins, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. So three coins to do technical analysis on today. But since it is the first episode, I'm open to taking on more meme coins for analysis again every Monday. So if that interests you, drop a comment on what meme coins you want me to analyze next Monday. Let's get right into it. As you can see, we have a major support and resistance here at 20 cents, and we're breaking above and below it. If you come down here, you could see we had a break of structure and then price perfectly come down and retest this last order block before breaking structure again. So we are uptrending here. This is where it gets tricky though. As you can see, we're accumulating in the past few days here, the past few weeks, right above this support zone that we already retested. So in the next few days, I'd look for us to bounce 19 cents. And if we end up breaking below that low of 19 cents, I'd expect price to push down maybe to these lows or perhaps even test 10 cents again. But that is the most bearish scenario. And if we do end up getting a little alt season, although I'd like to point out a lot of these coins already pumped hundreds of percent this year already. If we do end up getting some sort of alt season where Bitcoin cools down, you know, I'd look for the bounce. But if we do end up breaking, this is the most bearish scenario here. Losing my train of thought, let's get back on track. Jumping down into the 4 hour. As you can see, it just confirms our buys here. We have previous structure here holding, popping up above this support zone, and now just accumulating before we either retest or break below and retest to the downside. Let's jump into Shiba here. Shiba Inu, as you guys can see, massive pump. The beginning of 2024, actually, massive pump here, 300%, and then towards the end of last year, pumped 200% with the rest of the coins, but left us some good zones, good support and resistance zones here to then target. As you can see, we're pretty much at lows here, accumulating on the support and resistance zone, the lowest support and resistance zone here. So I'd say anything around, again, a fraction of a penny or whatever that is there, is a good spot. Not financial advice though, to start accumulating. So seems like we are just accumulating here, and for the eventual push up here. Not much really to analyze as far as that goes. Let's jump down into the 4 hour time frame. And as you can see here, pretty much the same story on the meme coins as well as the altcoins, as they're pretty much just following each other exactly. As you can see, we swept this low, failed to make a significant push below. We break highs, not external highs, just a small internal chop, and it looks like price failed to push back up above these highs. So we will just keep accumulating to the downside. Pepe here, beautiful support and resistance zone with a beautiful support zone as well. Easy trading between this zone. And again, well, first let's jump onto the daily. A little less price information here for us, but nonetheless reacting very well to this zone. I'm not even going to attempt to say that, but 1460 here is the high of this range. So I expect price to come down, and as you can see, it's starting to accumulate. Early buyers are starting to accumulate in this order block. I just expect price to bounce 818 one more time before heading up here for a 70% move back to 1460. Again, everything is really reliant on the state of the market, the strength of the market, whether we end up breaking down further or holding these zones. Let's jump into the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, like I said before, pretty much the same story. We are just accumulating to the downside, and over the next few days, I'd see how it reacts to this zone, 842. Anyway, guys, that concludes Meme Coin Mondays. A nice quick analysis for you on the top 3 meme coins: Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe. And again, for next Monday, if you guys would like me to do analysis on your favorite alt or favorite meme coin, drop a comment in the comment box below and subscribe, and I'll do the analysis for you guys next week on Monday. Anyway, again, this was Crypto Charts Daily. If you guys want more analysis like this on perhaps the top coins or the altcoins, subscribe, browse through the channel. We dropped the daily report this morning as well, reviewing the top 3 coins and 10 plus altcoins. Anyway, that's Meme Coin Monday. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.